Our next performer is Bria Mamea. She's 11, but going on 12 very soon. She attends Airport Heights Elementary, loves to sing and dance, and tonight she's going to be singing Listen, made famous by Beyonce. Please help me welcome Bria Mamea.
To the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will now be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. I am alone at the crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home. Not trying to judge, see what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I'm done leaving you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. Follow the voice you gave to me. But now I gotta find my own. You should have listened to someone here inside, someone I thought had died so long ago. Oh, I'm screaming out and my dreams will be heard. They will now be pushed aside and burned into your own, all 'cause you won't